वैसे ही आपको 100 देते हैं। क्या ये रीजनेबल है कि नहीं? हाँ जी, साउंड रीजनेबल वही हो रहा है। भगवान देख रहा। गॉड भेद गोज, भगवान कृष्ण कहा जे जथा माम प्रपद तत्व भजन। जैसा एज योर शरणागति इज, accordingly he also he come 50 steps towards Krishna. Krishna also come towards you. You step 5 steps, Krishna also 5 steps. Make sense? Make sense, Asim? अरे थोड़ा ही है, दुनियादारी का चीज है, अब नहीं लेता। कई आदमी इसलिए आता है, कोई जाता नहीं। वो मूल्यवान चीज है, सबका घर में सोना है। बाप शादी के बाद लड़की को एकांत बोलता है, ये सोना तो तेरा है, तेरा पति जब का निश्चय हो जाएगा, कोई कुछ नहीं रहेगा है, कोई उसको सहायता नहीं करेगा। बाप का सब संपत्ति चला गया तो पति के बोलो ये हमारा है, और पिताजी दिया, इसे चलाओ, है कि नहीं? तो उसका कीमत बहुत है। इसका बताओ तो रास्ता में आ जाएगा, घर नहीं, कुछ नहीं। लेकिन सबका घर में कुछ ना कुछ सोना है, लेकिन सब देने सकता नहीं। मोनी मोती चुनी पन्ना, हाँ, उसका कीमत बहुत है। इसलिए उतना मेहनत भी करने पड़ेगा प्राप्ति के लिए। असीम, ये साउंड्स रीजनेबल और नॉट? Marcos, sounds reasonable? Everywhere many may have got some little gold, and maybe sometime even that also not in special case using. But to get and give your near and dear or your daughter getting married, again, giving instead of gold ornaments, abhushan, there are chuni, panna, moti, diamond, sapphire, ruby. How many can give? If at all give, he has to pay high price, so expensive. Neela, yes, $7,000. Why? Little I one day in a shop, airport, I am seeing. How much? $7,000. Just little bit.
Iron mine.
Iron. But what is I? I am the soul. I am thinking I am this body. And body's pleasure. And I am running after. Running after mirage. You will never get to that deer going in the forest, in the desert. I think here is water, here is water. Going, never come, water come. But there is water somewhere else. Somewhere else there is water. He has to find it. Not there. This material world is like a mirage. I will be happy if I get a t-shirt, watch, if I get this, that, if I get a Rolls, if I get a sports car. Huh? But you get, still one day you see another guy has got better, some latest, you are not happy. You can never be happy in this material world. Krishna says, this is dukkhalayam, this is asasan. Here everything is temporary. You can't be happy. If you are attached to temporary things, you can never be happy. So you are spirit soul, you are eternal. Look for eternal abode, eternal relationship with Krishna, and eternal occupation, eternal abode. There is no birth, no death. Material world, the birth, death. Material world, you cannot go again Prakriti. Some young girl, she may be I am Miss India, and I will remain like this. Mr. India. क्या उसका नाम क्या है? I am Dara Singh. I am Cassius Clay. But one day somebody interviewed giving Cassius Clay. Then you said, I am unbeatable. Nobody can defeat me. It's true, nobody defeated him. Then when he became old, ISKCON reporter went to ask him interview. So many interview, question answer. Last he said, I will ask you one thing, comment on this. He used to say, I am unbeatable. and you are real, nobody defeated you. And you said, I am greatest. So say something about it. हैं? तो बोलिए, हैं? हमको कोई पराजित करने नहीं सकता, हम अजेय है, हम सबसे बड़ा है, ग्रेटेस्ट, क्या बोले, सबसे महान है। तो इस बारे में आप कुछ बताइए अभी कमेंट। तो बोला, देन व्हाट ही सेड, आई वाज ग्रेटेस्ट अनबीटेबल, हम अपराजेय, हमसे महान कोई नहीं है बोला था। लेकिन क्या, लेकिन ये तो हम दूसरा चीज अभी अनुभव हुआ। आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस, आई रियलाइज समथिंग डिफरेंट। व्हाट डिफरेंट? यू आर, नोबडी डिफीटेड यू। लिसन नाउ, लुक, आई हैव गॉट पार्किंसन पैरालिसिस। Even a fly, even an ant, what he likes, he can go here, there, touch. But I want to take a glass of water, I may have. I can't. Anything I cannot do. So I see there is everybody, they want to become Dadagiri. They want to lord over others. But one day you find there is also some guy, he can lord over me. You cannot be all the time, I am the tiger of this forest. Everybody has to bow down to me. But our one guy sings, bow down, mister. You may be, everybody wants to bow down to you. You want. One day you have to bow down to others. समझ गया? तुम चाहता सब आदमी तुम्हारे पास चुप करके रहेगा. I am the tiger. I am Seth Singh. Everybody wants to become Seth Singh. You want to be a tiger. Unfortunately, tiger has no friend. Because he is doing dadagiri to everyone. He wants to lord over everybody. A day comes, he become old tiger, old lion, and she has no friend. He is in a well or in a hole well, and he requires help. Then even an ant come, or even a Mickey Mouse come, he shouts at him, shut up, rascal, and he cries. Isn't it true? This happened? This happened. You can't be all the time, I am Napoleon Bonaparte. Where Napoleon Bonaparte gone? Now tell me. Over said, what is this? In Paris, it is a victory of memory of Napoleon. Why? The Napoleon is a hero, used to be. So what happened to Napoleon? He said Napoleon is gone. But in memory of him, everybody will say, France is proud of Napoleon Bonaparte. So say, Napoleon is France, France is Napoleon. Then Pope said, this is in memory of Napoleon. Big arch gate. You can maybe 20 story. You go up by lift. So I was standing near there. The Maharaj, you want to go up? I said, I tell Pope said what? The Pope said, Napoleon is France. France is Napoleon. You are proud of Napoleon. Yeah. Now France is here. Still, thousands of years ago France was there. Now still it is here. And this gate for some time is here, and how long it will be, we don't know. But where is Napoleon person? No answer. क्या गति प्राप्त किया नेपोलियन? अभी जैसा काम किया वैसा फल मिलेगा. जैसा के तैसा. भूत का मेले पेतनी नहीं, राजकुमारी का राजकुमार. पेतनिया के बोलेगा हम राजकुमारी से साथ ब्याह करने चाहता. नहीं बाबा, नहीं मिलेगा, नहीं मिलेगा. उनको पेतनी मिलेगा. Women ghost you will get. Yes or no?
Yes.
All the time you cannot remain. So in the Vedic literature say, Asato mam sadgama. Don't be attached to anything which is temporary. Whole material world, everything is temporary. But soul is not temporary, it's permanent. So look for permanent abode, permanent relation with Krishna, permanent master Krishna. Then you will be happy. There is no birth, no death. But if Napoleon says, I won't die, no, you have to die. If Miss Universe says, I won't die, I will remind all the time, Miss Universe, young girl. No, one day you'll be teethless. One day your beauty go away in your long skin. Huh? So many other things. She will smile. Nobody will like. She has got polka dot. She has no teeth. She become old. Where you? If you say, I am Miss Universe, Army. Huh? Elizabeth Taylor. Where is Elizabeth Taylor now? So many famous artists. But Krishna Bhakta, he is clever. He knows how to use things. So one day, one famous man came in Calcutta. His name is Arafat. Anybody may know. He is a Palestine leader. Huh? So he could be a target of many persons to shoot him. But he is world famous. So he is staying in a top hotel in Calcutta. Huh? 7-star, 10-star. And well guarded. Every stairs, there's so many Sten gun men standing. Nobody can see him. So Calcutta president phone. Miss India. Hello. Yes, you're Miss India. You want to serve Krishna? You are Hindu. Yes, yes. You want to serve Krishna and get his blessing? Yes, yes. So we want you to do something. Here is a special personality here. We want him, you go and give him a smile and tell, I want to see you and give you some present, which you will treasure. What present? So when that she phoned, I am Miss India, want to see you to give you some भेंट. भेंट देने चाहता अच्छा कुछ, something which will be you can treasure. ये बहुत अमूल्य चीज है. बहुत मूल्यवान चीज है. तो आपको देने चाहता. हाँ, तुम आ जाओ. हमारे साथ 2-1 आदमी आ नहीं सकता. 1 or 2% can come to assist me. Yes, yes. Enter this word and tell, I am here, Miss Universe, Miss India. भारत सुंदरी ना क्या तो भारत सुंदरी ना, विश्व सुंदरी, भारत सुंदरी. हाँ, आ जाओ. क्या इसलिए? व्हाट इज योर बिजनेस? आई वांट टू गिव यू सम प्रेजेंट. अच्छा, वेरी वेल नोन. तो वो कैलकाटा प्रेसिडेंट एक अच्छा भगवत गीता लेके आया. वेल आई मीन हार्ड बाउंड अच्छा लेके आया. लड़की को दिया. बोले आप उनको दो, हमारा एक आदमी रहेगा, हम भी रहेगा, हम जो बात करेगा हम टेप करेगा. आई लाइक वो बोलेगा, आप बोलो उनको जो आपका एक किताब दे रहा, ये वर्ल्ड फेमस बुक, विल यू रीड इट प्लीज. अराफत जी आप पढ़ेगा. मिस्टर अराफत, वुड यू लाइक टू रीड दिस बुक? दिस इज अ वर्ल्ड फेमस बुक, भगवत गीता एज इट इज, written in Arab language, translated in Arabian from left to right. Arafat took. So President recording. He said, Arafat ji, yes, Mr. Arafat, this is a world famous book called Bhagavad Gita, Song of God. Would you read it? Ha! Click. A tape में the recording. Arafat speaking. Miss India is asking, and he gave a great smile. Thank you very much. So photo ले लिया. And another boy with president took the photo. And Miss India smiled. Thank you very much. आ गया. They use this photo and use Miss India. He likes to see Miss India, India Sundari. And we can show this to the people. They'll go. Arafat Sidi, Bhagavad Gita, I will also tell. And this way you can preach. This way devotee knows how to use everything in the service of Krishna. It is said devotees are very intelligent. They know how to use everything, how to bring everything to the lotus feet of Krishna. By various ways, maybe by feeding him prasad or whatever which can attract him. Taking prasad, variety. He may not like to chant. One day he will start chanting. A taste of prasad, taste of Harikatha, ultimately serving. Hari Bol. So अच्छा. Question, comment? Hello. Hari Bol.
धन्यवाद प्रणाम गुरु महाराज। गुरु महाराज, हमारे मम्मी पापा चाहते हैं कि हम शादी कर लें।
क्या कर रहा भाई?
हमारे माता पिता चाहते हैं उनके माता पिता चाहते हैं कि वो विवाह कर लें।
हाँ, तो क्या आपका सवाल क्या है? आपका पिता माता, सब पिता माता चाहता हमारा लड़का शादी करे, क्योंकि वो लोग भी शादी किया है कि नहीं? आप शादी करने चाहते हैं? आप
गुरु महाराज, हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे शादी किसी देवता का हो जिससे हमारी साधना
हाँ तो अच्छा है।
साधना भी कोई बाधा ना आए और हम सेवा भी अच्छे से कर
हाँ तो अच्छा है, फिर तो अच्छा है। आप भगवान का प्रार्थना कीजिए, आपको भगवान प्रोवाइड कर देगा। भगवान का हार्दिक, क्योंकि हम शादी करने चाहता है, लेकिन जो लड़की भगवान का भक्ति कर रहा है इस्कॉन में, भगवान कुछ व्यवस्था कर देगा। के लिए आपको धैर्य रखना चाहिए, धैर्य रखना चाहिए। भगवान हमारा नकर नहीं है, आप प्रेम से भगवान का असली चीज भगवान का भजन करना। अगर पत्नी है ठीक है, वो सहयोग करेगा, भक्त होगा तो करना चाहिए असली। और एनीथिंग स्पिरिचुअल।
आपने अभी बोला कि हमको कीमत चुकाना पड़ेगा,
हाँ
पर मेरे पास तो कीमत नहीं है, मैं क्या करूं? मैं तो नहीं चुका
आपके
सकता।
पास जो कीमत नहीं है वो है मेटेरियल कीमत, स्पिरिचुअल कीमत आप दे नहीं सकता।
आपका आशीर्वाद होगा।
भगवान बोला जो कोई गरीब भी हो, जो कोई पत्रम पुष्पम फलम त्वम अगर दिल से दे तो भगवान देता। इसलिए यही नहीं है कोई गरीब है, कोई अंधा है, लंगड़ा है, हैंडीकैप्ड है, दे कैन नो ही कैन बिकम प्योर डिवोटी। लेकिन भक्ति है, दिल का चीज है। इसलिए भगवान माखन चोरी करता, कोई कहता माखन क्या है? जो अमृत का माफिया दूध है उसको दही बनाओ, उससे आप मंथन करके माखन आएगा। इस मतलब ये थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंशियल है, तो एक गहरा में रहता है, दिल में रहता है, ये है छुपा के रखा, तो उसको लेना चाहिए। इसलिए भगवान माखन चोरी करता है, दिल का चोरी करने लेता। लेकिन सबको दिल चोरी करता नहीं, किसको करता? गोपी को करता है। So if you can become follow the footprints of गोपी, गोपी का चरण चिन्ह आप उसको चरण चिन्ह आप अनुसरण करें, हाँ, एक दिन कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा, भगवान आपको कृपा करेंगे। वही हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आप भी कोशिश करें दिल से, भगवान जो आपको कृपा करेंगे। सस्ता नहीं। बंगाल में कहा था कष्ट कोई ले किष्ट मिले, तपस्या थोड़ा करना चाहिए, जानबूझ के थोड़ा कष्ट है। अभी ठंडा में किताब पढ़ रहा, कोई चाहेगा नहीं, हमको क्या देगा ये बोले, लेकिन नहीं, लेकिन कोई मांगता नहीं, भगवान का हम सेवा करना चाहता है। कष्ट हो ठीक है, ये प्रेम आदमी तो कोई करेगा नहीं, कितना पैसा भगवान का सर्विस ऐसा करने जाता है कोई, तब भी अच्छा है। दूसरा के पास नहीं कि भगवान को एक दिन समझे, कुछ नहीं। आई बोल।
Question is that Srila Prabhupada told that the process of surrender, if I understood proper way, is it can take 1 second only, or it can take millions of life. So how to, is it a matter of deep introspection, or how can we improve in that, make it better?
God knows deep person in our heart what is there. Accordingly, he understands how much one wants to love him, how much one wants to love Krishna and sacrifice. And accordingly, he reciprocates. Makes sense? We may not know what is in our heart, deep in our heart, but Krishna knows. and accordingly he will. Make sense? Haribol? Make sense? Professor, make sense? Sounds reasonable, Asim?
So then Krishna will arrange one after another so many things to happen to us so we can all those
In
things
time.
get purified.
In time. According to your, what you deserve. He knows, he can judge. He's a top judge. He's a top judge, rightly judge. He knows you, and after judgment, he, as you deserve, he will give. Make sense? Does it make sense? He will test you. He is testing all of us. All of us, they are here, but some may be thinking, some may be hearing, some may not be complete hearing. Yes or no? God knows everything. Huh? Why not people are coming? Why to other? They want to enjoy. Yes or no? How many of us are compared to the whole people here? They want to enjoy. What is eye wants, tongue wants, ear wants, God is watching. Huh? What is your interest? Huh? These only few people here interested here, came here. That's the reason. Past life might have done all these things. Some. Krishna is giving chance more. Huh? They advance more. Complete Krishna consciousness. Other not yet started. Don't bother him. He wants to enjoy. Mad after. Itching. Huh? The first ice cream, he is not satisfied. He wants bhang. I slept 10 hours and enjoyed. He's a little Kumbhakarna. Kumbhakarna, 6 months sleeping and eating full belly. So much. 600%, 1000% food he is eating up. Like that we also have a person like this, yeah? Something like that. And again, somebody will be mad after Krishna consciousness. He gets so much pleasure in it, he forget his sleeping, forget his eating, forget his sleeping, forget other essential things of the bodily demand. One of them most is eating and sleeping. Other, atraka and sense gratification, sensual pleasure. Yes or no? Asim? Some here, you are talking Krishna Katha, spiritual age, huh? You go away. Let us go and see Pani Puri. Let us see journal, magazine, game. That is his interest. He is hearing Bombay song, Kavali, so many things. And he is going that direction. Are we coming to Krishna Katha? He is coming towards Krishna. Huh? This is the difference. हाँ जी ठीक कहा कि नहीं? हाँ बोलिए.
आपने बताया कि हमारा हृदय जो है वो पत्थर की तरह हो गया, तो उसको कैसे कोमल बनाए और भगवान के लिए, गुरु की सेवा के लिए हम कैसे योग्य बने, कैसे हम और इसके लिए कैसे रो सकें, इसके लिए बताइए.
इसलिए तो यही कर रहा हूँ और क्या कर रहा हूँ. जैसे हमारा हृदय कोमल है